Alright guys, we're gonna do something a little different today. Kind of film this like a day in a life. I don't know, something like that. Just have some fun with it. But I think we're gonna go kayaking today. So the place that we're going, the lake that we're going to, it's local, it's in town, and it's pretty cool because they do a little bit of a conservation effort there, where they house little baby crocs, little baby alligators and whatnot, and they'll take them out once they're about, I think, like 6 feet probably is when they take them out and relocate them. So let's hope we can find some of those and see. Not gonna get too close to them because you don't want to be putting yourself in danger and stuff like that, but we're gonna see if we can try and find some of them and get a good video of them. There's also a lot of turtles and stuff out there that we can check out, and I'm gonna try and fish, maybe try and catch something and see what kind of fish are out there, because I haven't caught anything out there before. But I think it's gonna be pretty good. It's been a hot minute since I've been to that lake, and make an adventure out of it. All right guys, we made it to Greenfield Lake, so let's go ahead and get this kayak in there and get rolling, see if we can find any crocs or turtles, or maybe fish a fish or something like that. I don't know. So let's go get this kayak. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get this set up and get out into Greenfield. I'm sure you guys are excited to see how a folding kayak works and what it looks like. This is actually a 12-foot kayak, believe it or not. But I love it because it's convenient. If it's right in the bed of the truck, the Wrangler that I had before fit right in the back of it, and then it just fits in the closet of where I live. So let's go ahead and get the rest of my stuff out and get this thing unfolded. Oh my God, I'm stuck. Okay, all right. Life jacket, that's always important. Always important to be safe. Safety first, everybody. Safety first. All right. Or fishing pole with a hook that's all out of whack and trying to hook onto stuff that doesn't need to hook onto. And get this over to where I need to be to unfold this. So let's go ahead and get this rolling, get this out of here. Come on. All right, about to blow y'all's minds with this. A little dirty. Last time I used it. That can stay there. All right. Yeah. Come on. Bam. All right, we're already almost there. All right, so let's see here. What do I do next? Tighten this. It's always fun trying to get back into this and trying to do this again after not setting it up for a while. You kind of got to sit back and figure it out again. But I mean, once you get the hang of it, you can have these set up pretty quick, probably within less than 10 minutes, really. But this might take me a little bit to get it all put together. Just trying to remember how it all goes back, but it's not going to be the end of the world. Luckily, Oru makes this really easy and straightforward. I mean, my first time doing it, they don't come with a paper manual on how to put it together. Obviously, that's a lot of places are going environmentally friendly and trying to cut back on paper. And I didn't realize that this had a QR code right on the seat until I was already in the water. And I kind of laughed about it. It was funny. Then I watched it and I was like, oh yeah, check that out. I did it pretty straightforward. So the Oru makes it pretty easy to, yeah, come on, pretty easy to even put these, to fold them out even without the guide, which is pretty neat. Very user friendly. It looks daunting at first. He's like, oh my god, I gotta put this whole kayak together, and like, it's really not all that bad. What is going on here? Okay, that's what I need out of there. That's why that was all weird. Hey-ya. 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 There we go. That looks better. And tighten that on. And there's the front. Starting to look like a boat, right? Almost there. And we're going to put the floorboard in. Another brace, tighten this one all the way. Come on. Just goes right under that Velcro, that elastic strap right there. Seat back fits in like that, and clips into some little hoops here. Oh. And boom, there it is. And grab most of my stuff, bring it down right to the water. Oh yeah, there goes another taco right there, taco gang. All right. Alright, can't forget the oar. Let's go ahead and put this together. Yeah, they thought about everything. They're like, folding kayak, got it. Collapsible oar, got it. You want to store this thing in a cabinet in your kitchen, got it. Okay, that's an exaggeration, but y'all get the idea. Bam, just like that, put together. Let's go get in the water. All right, this is gonna be fun. Uh-oh, that bulkhead ain't in place. There we go. All right, let's get in here. To shimmy our way out of here, so until we start floating. Come on, let's go. Get me out of here. There we go. Now we're floating. So the only thing about these Orus is always interesting when you get into them. You know, I didn't expect this to be an Oru review video, which it isn't, but might as well talk about it because it's probably the most interesting thing until we find something out here. But you got these straps here for your feet, so you're always going to have to adjust them when you get into it, and same with your back. You got straps for your back and adjusting your back. So I think we should go into there and go explore some of this tree lines and stuff like that and see what we can find. God, it's a nice day today. It's warm. Let's go find something. Find some turtles or something like that. That'd be cool. I definitely know there's a lot of them in this lake. They're always hanging out on the fallen trees and whatnot. Oh, there's the There's a bunch over there. See if I can get close enough to get a good view of them. They're all stretched out. There you go. There's right in the water. They see me. They know I'm here. But there were a few of them just along that log there. Ooh, real shaky. We'll see if we can go find some other ones, but pretty cool. But let's go ahead and shove off of here. Yeah. Woo. Huh? Hitting this log that's in the water here. Ah! Oh my God. All right. Passed a bunch of turtles over here too as well. We're probably gonna run into the water because, you know, big scary kayak coming through. Wow, hang on. That was not a turtle. That was bird poop because there's a bird up there. I thought it was a fish and I looked up and saw the bird. See if I can get a good shot of that guy. Honestly, don't know what kind of bird it is. But check that guy out. Alright, let's to the alligators. That's what we're doing. Our goal today, I guess, is to see alligators. If they just stay on that log and allow me to pass, it's going to be awesome. Not disturb them. Then they're nervous. They're nervous that we're passing. But look at that guy. He's watching me. And there he goes. Alright, that was kind of cool. Get through some of this. It's right around, right where that opening is, where those trees are. It's right on the other side of that where the bridge is that the alligators typically hang out around. Well, folks, I think it's a little bit further up.
Alligator right over there.
Is there? That's what I'm looking for.
Okay, so here to the right.
Is it actually out of the water?
It's about a 5 foot.
Nice, yeah.
It's like right at the edge of the water, right there.
Okay, cool. Yeah, the most I've been out here, I've only ever seen their heads on the water line.
Are you trying to catch them?
Just on video. Just on video. All right, cool. Thank you. Y'all have a good one. Oh, you know what? I think that's him right there. I thought that was a basket, but I think that was his tail that... Yeah, I think that's him right there. Yeah, there he is. And he went underwater, so we're gonna sit and chill and wait. I don't know if you guys can see him right there, but he's just cruising. It's about 15 feet, maybe 20 feet in front of us. Actually, maybe less than that. But he's just cruising. What should we name him, guys? Shoot me a comment. What we should name this little alligator here. There it is. There's the bridge I was talking about. See, I told you guys. I told you there was a bridge. This little turtle. Oh, nope, he's gone. He's out of here. Hey! I don't see any. Right under the bridge. There's a bunch of turtle heads. This lake has a lot of these like dead end finger branch offs, if you will. This is one of them. I'm gonna see if I can catch anything while I'm out here. Nothing. Nothing. Maybe if I get closer to the shoreline with my cast, I might maybe get something. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, I've never caught anything out here before. Hello, what was that? It's all gunked up. All right. Yeah. Get off of there. All right, let's go back over to where all the trees are and where we saw most of those turtles. So. Actually, let's go through here. Let's see if we can fit through this one over here. Let's explore a different one. Some of these paths get pretty tight. Let's see if we can squeeze through these trees over here. So we may need to go out and around this and come around the bottom side. So let's go out and around. We got some paddle boarders. I'd like to try that, but I feel like I'd probably fall. But I guess that's the whole point of learning it, right? You fall and get up. It's the point of learning new things. You know you're gonna fail at some point. But you keep getting up and keep doing it. That's how you get better at things. It's Tokyo drift into this. Yeah. Push myself over. Come on. Get closer. Ah! Whatever, that's close enough. Well, that was fun. And take this thing out. And break it down. I'll see you guys over there. Trying to get these oriented properly and on there. Just like that. And same for this side. Just like that. All right. All right, that's it. We can go ahead and put it away now. Finish putting all this back in the truck. And I'll see y'all in a second. Alright guys, thanks for joining me back here on Exploration.G. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a like and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys down there. If you have anything on the Oru kayak, I mean, this wasn't really a review video on them, but if you have any questions on it, I've had it for a while. I've used it quite a bit. You know, I enjoy them. It fits my niche. And if you have any other questions on Greenfield Lake, I can find for you and bring to you, and that'd be awesome. And I'll see you guys in the next adventure. I think. Oof. Ah. Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the outro. This guy was a little loose, so we gotta tighten him. But I was just thinking this, like, oh, what did you learn as a automotive technician while you've been in the career? How to turn bolts and screws without having the proper tools. That's what I've learned. And I'm over here trying to do it with a key, just to tighten it a little bit.